2.3 first one third subdivision 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9 x plus y plus z equal to 9 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. This is the question they have given. Before 2 subdivision we have seen 2 by 2 matrices, but in this subdivision we are going to see 3 by 3 matrices, 3 rows and 3 columns. By using the matrix inversion method, how should you find out the linear equation? Linear equation matrix inversion method வச்சு எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் பார்க்கலாம். There is nothing but 2 by 2 na x and y value we are able to find out. This one is 3 by 3 matrix, so we want to find out x, y and z. Same procedure only. First you can take and write what are the equations they are given in the matrix form. You can write it, and then you want to find out x equal to a inverse b. That is the formula. There is no change at all. X equal to a inverse b. Next you want to find out the a inverse. You know the formula to find out the a inverse. 1 by determinant a into adjoint a. But in this one 3 by 3 matrix is there. So you by using this formula you want to find out the cofactor and then find out transpose, that is the adjoint of a. 2 3 minus 1. This 2 3 minus 1. Next one is 1 1 1. So 1 1 1. Next one 3 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1. X y z. This one is 9 9 9 minus 1. 9 9 minus 1. Next this term denotes a value. This term denotes x value. This term denotes b value. Adukku straight away எழுதிருக்கேன். இது a, இது x, இது b. Now we are going to find out x value. So you can take that a that side. So a becomes a inverse. So a inverse into b. Now we are going to find out the a inverse. First take and write the a value what is given. A value you can write it and then find out the determinant a value. Instead of matrices box you can substitute in the determinant box and find out the determinant a as usual procedure only. That is first row only we want to take it for determinant a. Cofactor ku dhaan ovvonu step eyum edukanum oru signs eyum include பண்ணனும். But determinant a ku only the first row we must take it. So first row means plus minus plus, plus minus plus. So I am taking plus 2. Plus 2 means this column and this row should get close it. Plus into minus is minus 1. In middle minus sign should be there. So minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next you can take it minus 3. Because the formula is minus, the number is 3. Now you can close those columns and rows. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. In middle minus sign should come. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 3 is 3. Next one plus only, but plus into minus is minus. So minus 1. Now you can close this column and this row. So plus into minus minus 1. Middle minus sign should be there. So 1 into 3 is 3. Now if you simplify those terms, 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 into 3 is 12. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 is not equal to 0. Then a inverse will exist. Determinant a kandupidichittu a inverse exist aayachu. Next we want to find out adjoint a. Adjoint a idhukku munadi paatha rendu subdivision liyo diagonal mattum interchange பண்ணிட்டு அடுத்த diagonal sign change பண்ணனும். That is format of 2 by 2 matrix. But 3 by 3 matrix we want to find out the cofactors by using plus minus plus. Already we seen in the first, second sum and all first exercise. In the same way only we want to find out the cofactors of 3 by 3 matrix. Now first I am taking the plus sign. If you are taking this one as plus sign, don't take those numbers. Determinant கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு தான் நம்பர் எடுப்போம். cofactors கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு நம்பர் எடுக்க கூடாது. Only the signs. இப்போ இதுக்கு plus போட்டோம்னா so you can close those things. So remaining what should come? Minus 1 plus 1. Straight away I wrote. ஏன்னா நிறைய சம்ல determinant எழுதி பார்த்தாச்சு. இதெல்லாம் பெரிய சம்ன்றதுனால டைம் நிறைய எடுக்கும். பட் எக்ஸாம்ல டைம் பத்தாது. அதனால ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாவே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடுங்க. அந்த ஸ்டெப் போடணும்னு இல்லை. புரியறதுக்காக ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸர்சைஸ்ல தனித்தனியா டிட்டர்மினன்ட் எழுதி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி போட்டோம். பட் இதுல ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாவே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடலாம். ஏன்னா இதுவே பெரிய சம். இதுக்கு கோஃபேக்டர் ஒரு 4-5 ஸ்டெப் போட்டோம்னா டைம் ஆயிடும். ஸோ ப்ளஸ் எடுத்தாச்சு. ஸோ இதையும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Plus into minus is minus. In middle minus sign should come. So 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Next to minus sign edukkom. So this is minus. So minus edukkumbodhu you close those columns and rows. So idu close pannona remaining namakku idu dhaan irukku. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 3 3. Middle everyme minus. So what should come means minus 1 minus 3. Next plus sign. So plus into minus minus should come. Anga plus poda maatom. Ena inga plus irukku. Sorry inga minus yeah plus only should come. Sign da paakano numbers paakudadu. Sign mattum parunga. No need to concentrate in the numbers. Only for the determinant you should concentrate for the numbers. So inga vanda enna aidona plus irukku. So plus potachu. Plus போடும்போது இதையும் close பண்ணியாச்சு. So what should come? Minus 1 minus 3. So minus 1 minus 3. Next move for the next one. Minus. So minus outside. So minus போடும்போது so in the row in the column in the row in the column close பண்ணிட்டோம். ரிமைனிங் நமக்கு என்ன நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா இது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு இது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இந்த 4 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கு. So you multiply minus 3 minus into minus plus formula 1 minus. So minus. So what should come? Minus 3 minus 1. Next one is plus. Next one is plus. This and this you can close it. Remaining you should multiply means minus 2 plus 3. Next one is minus. This one is minus. So you can close it here. You will get this answer. In the same way you can do the third row. Now you can simplify this one. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Plus into minus is minus 4. Here minus into minus plus. Here minus into plus minus. Here minus 4 minus into minus plus. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1. So minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 minus into minus plus 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next one 2 plus 1 is 3 plus into minus minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus into minus minus 1. While finding adjoint A you must put the transpose. You must put the transpose. After finding the transpose value only you are getting the adjoint A value. After finding transpose. Transpose da market கிடைக்கிற value தான் adjoint A ஓட value. இத adjoint A ன்னு எடுத்து நீங்க ஆன்சர் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ராங்கா தான் வரும். இத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் transpose-ஆ மாத்தணும். Transpose is nothing but you should change the column or row, any one. Whether the column or row, you should change it as இப்போ column na row ஆ மாறிடும், row na column ஆ மாறிடும். I am taking this column as row. So 0 4 4 0 4 4. Next 4 1 minus 3. Next minus 4 11 minus 1. Now you got the value for adjoint. What is the A inverse formula? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. What is the determinant A value we got? 16. So 1 by 16. This is the adjoint. After finding the transpose, what is the answer you are getting? That is the adjoint A. So 0 4 4 4 1 minus 3 minus 4 11 minus 1. Now we found the value for A inverse. A inverse value கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ B ஓட we want to do the multiplication product. So x equal to A inverse B. So 1 by 16. What is 1 by 16? A inverse. This adjoint A. What is the B value? Is given in the question. RHS side only we are taking as B value 9 9 minus 1. So 9 9 minus 1. Now we want to do the multiplication. This 1 by 16 as it is you can keep it outside itself. வெளியவே வெச்சிங்க இந்த 1 by 16. So first row first column 0 வந்து 9 into 4 36 plus into minus minus 4. So 0 36 4. Next one. This if you need you can put like this aroma. This one row, this is column. So next one is 36 plus 9 plus 3. 36 plus 9 plus 3. Next one. Minus 36 because here minus sign is there. So minus 36, 11 nines are 99. Minus 36 plus 99. Here minus into minus plus. So plus 1. Now you simplify this one. 36 minus 4 is 32. 36 plus 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 36 plus 12 is 48. 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 minus 36 is 64. Now 1 by 16, 32, 48, 64. It will come and multiples of 16. This is multiples in 16 or multiples. This is 16 tables. So 16 divide as usual divide 32 by 16. In 16 how many times 32 should come? 2 times. In 16 how many times 48 should come? 3 times. 16, 64 is 4 times. You can take it inside the 16 divided by 16. Over term divide for all the terms you should write separately. So 32 by 16, 48 by 16, 64 by 16. If you simplify, 16 ones are 16 twos are, 16 ones are 16 threes are, 16 ones are 16 fours are. So the answer is 2, 3, 4. The value of x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. Once again I will repeat, 3 by 3 matrix you want to find 2 by 2 matrix A inverse B, x equal to A inverse B. But 3 by 3 matrix in the cofactor model you want to find out the adjoint A. You should do the transpose. After finding the transpose only you are getting the adjoint A. And then as usual method, first you find out the A inverse. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. After finding the A inverse you should multiply with A inverse and B. You should multiply. Are you able to simplify the term? Whether in the bracket terms or the multiples of the outer terms you can divide it. Otherwise you no need to divide. You can leave it as it is. What is the answer you are getting? Therefore the x value, y value, z value will get it. That's all.